Hi, got something different today. Got a package. Let's open it. So this is what we have. I this is a little lighter than I expected. I thought it would be a little darker, but that's okay because I really wanted the black, I wanted the signature, and I wanted the silver, and the silver detail. So no big deal to me. Because this rarely stays in stock, didn't even know they had this as an option, really, until I just kept checking back one day and finally found it. I didn't know what the strap would be. This is definitely smaller than a guitar strap, so I'm actually excited about that. I haven't had a purse with a guitar strap, so this is a little bit bigger than what I'm currently using, so I'm kind of happy about that. It doesn't detach, which is kind of a downside because I'm not really a fan of the white, but it'll get the job done. So let's open it up here. Oh, this is kind of what we have. Let me open it up. I liked that my phone can fit down into the side pocket without opening anything. That's the biggest draw for me. This is why I didn't get the camera bag or the snapshot by Marc Jacobs. The side pocket didn't work. Same with Kate Spade when I compared her camera style bag. This seemed to be a good compromise and for a decent price point. This was like $100 out the door, so not bad. Find it at the Coach outlet. This is the mini.